Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ERTZ. In today's session, we will walk through how to suspend depreciation for an asset in Oracle Fusion. This is very important and useful feature when you want to temporarily stop depreciation. For example, if an asset is under repair or idle, in this way it is very helpful to calculate the depreciation. Say for example, one machinery is there and it has went some trouble and it is under repair. So in that case, if you want to if you want to suspend the depreciation for 1 or 2 months, for couple of months, you can use the functionality called suspend depreciation. Let's do that. Click on navigator, click on fixed assets, click on assets, click on task list. Now click on Enquire Assets. Yeah. Now I want to suspend the depreciation for car. Click on Done. Click on Task List. Now click on Adjust Assets. I will provide the data access, and the task is manage asset book data access. Manage asset book data access for users. Select your username. Asset accountant. Digital yep, digital corp book. Asset accounting manager. Asset book. Now click on save and close. Run LDAP job. Tools. Scheduled process. Schedule new process. LDAP job. Now let's check whether it has been assigned. Yeah, digital corp book is assigned. Now click on adjust assets. Now search for the asset number. Click on search. Yeah, this car, let's take an example. This is a car and it met with an accident Now we want to stop the depreciation calculation for this asset. Now select the asset record, click on actions, click on suspend depreciation. If you click on suspend depreciation, system will stop calculating depreciation. Car was in garage since it was in repair. Now click on OK. Now let us check what is the process that has been submitted. Click on tools, go to scheduled process. Yeah, post online asset transactions. It's submitted. Post online asset transactions. Now the repairs has been completed. Now we have to reinstate this asset into the original thing. Now select the record, click on actions, click on resume depreciation. If you click on resume depreciation, system will automatically start calculating depreciation on this particular assets. Click on resume depreciation. The car repair has successfully completed. Now click on OK. Click on OK. Let's see what is the process that system has submitted. Yeah, the same job. Post online asset transactions. Click on. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPzen for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.